This is dubious code looking at problem number 6 in Python for Project Euler. So in this one, we sum the squares. If we sum the squares between 1 and 10, we get 385. So it's 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 10 squared. Whereas if we square the sum, we get 325, and we take the difference, which is this. Find the difference between the sum of the squares of the first 100 natural numbers and the square of the sum. All right. So this is kind of a straightforward loop. There's probably better ways to do it. But we can just sum squares equals 0. We'll say n equals 10. We'll start with 10 and see if we get our answers. I in range n. Sum squares plus equals I times I. And just sum equals 0. Sum plus equals I. Squared sum equals sum times sum. Difference equals squared sum minus sum squares. Print difference is all right. So this one is probably correct as is. Let's look through it so I don't make too many mistakes. This is Project Euler 6. So we'll run that in a second. Start both the sums at 0. The sum squares goes up to 10, and it's I times I. Otherwise, we just take a sum of I. Squared sum, we multiply that sum. Sum is a different color, which means it's probably a reserved word. So I'm going to just call it sum1. Sum1. Sorry. This is dubious code. Let's see. Range, take the difference. I think this is right. So we expect the answer for up to 10 to be 2640. Difference is 1740, so not right. So let's say print squared sum. Which one's wrong? You already know which one's wrong because you've been paying attention. I don't because I haven't been. Sum squares. 20, 25, and 2085. And 285. Oh, I know the difference. Because it's 10 natural numbers. N plus 1. So I only did the first 9. So if we want to go to 10, we have to go up to 9. 2640. Excellent. So that means we should be good, and they want the first 100. So let's look at the first 100. And the answer is what? 25 million? Just goes to show you should always get your pay summed and then squared and not the other way around. Let's see. 2 for 4. 4 0. This captcha is not super easy, and I swear I'm human. Mostly. Check. All right. This is dubious code. That's Project Euler number 6. Project Euler number 6. That one's pretty straightforward. Thanks for watching.